CLBO Ultrasonic Mini Cool Mist Humidifier Portable by CLBO is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Mini Compact Portable Humidifier offers soothing mist for maximum relaxation when you are in bedrooms, offices, hotel and other medium-sized rooms. Adopts advanced ultrasonic concussion and mute technology, producing micron-scale moisture quietly below 25 decibels that won't disturb you. This humidifier diffuses bacteria-free mist into the air with nearly zero radiation, ideal for babies, pregnant women. Automatically shut off for safety when there is no more water or water runs out. Meanwhile, the blue light turned to be red. Adjustable mist control knob lets you regulate the humidity level and amount of the fog, speed to fit your comfort needs. Notice, this mini humidifier can fit for Dasani Lipton Clear American Coke Life Water Great Value Dew Pepsi Fanta Mellow Dew Sprite Kirkland Sam Deer Park Ek bottles about 500-600 ml, wherever you are. Just pop on a bottle, connect the appliance and enjoy good air quality not only at home or in the office, but also when you are out and about. This ultrasonic mini cool mist humidifier lets you breathe fresher and cleaner air that is sure to provide more comfort, relaxation in seconds. Household helper. Apart from offering health benefits for you and your family, it provides necessary moisture to reduce cracking of your wood furniture. 1. Soothe dry skin, prevent dry eye, scratchy throat and nose. 2. Keep indoor plants grow healthy. 3. Breathe better and sleep more comfortably. 4. Reduce static electricity. More features. 1. Last all night adjustable mist volume. You can rotate the dial knob to control maximum mist output up to 90 milliliters H. 1 5L 4-gallon larger capacity water tank ensures long run time up to 16 hours. 2. Relieve dry weather symptoms. Dry air may lead to dry and itchy skin, scratchy throats and noses. And the manufacturer's humidifier sprays cool humid air to maintain appropriate humidity level in the air and helps relieve these symptoms. 3. Mute operation, nearly zero radiation. Below 25 decibels that won't disturb you, nearly zero radiation, ideal for babies, pregnant woman. 4. Automatically shut off. It automatically shuts off for safety when it is detected that there is no more water or water runs out. 5. 8-remi night lamp for sleeping. 6. For 108 inches diameter port bottle tank. Specifications. Input voltage 100-240 V. Output voltage DC 24 V. Low power consumption 11 W. Water tank capacity 0-15 L. Mist output 0-90 mLh. Applicable area 20 meters raised to the power of 2-50 m raised to the power of 2. Package contents: Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier X1. Adapter X1. User Manual X1.